Implementing Odoo has enabled Kraus Motor Company to scale. And since we've implemented fully and got it up and running, we've just about doubled the size of the company. My name is Satya Kraus, Kraus Motor Company, and CEO and owner. Kraus started out as really a custom bike builder, and we moved into manufacturing a complete product line. And so our customer base is really performance guys looking to enhance the overall performance of their motorcycles through our aftermarket products. Before implementing Odoo, we had data pretty much all over the place.
We had a lot of miscommunication between departments, double tracking of things, inaccurate inventory tracking. My name is Kylan Kraus. I'm an engineer here at Kraus Motor Co. I work from product development onto the production floor and then into systems engineering when it comes to the Odoo implementation. Odoo really allowed us to track everything going on in the business in real time, which has been a huge help. It's also improved our data analytics. Our data before was really disparate and difficult to pull together. In Odoo, that analysis becomes really easy. Odoo has really allowed us the opportunity to scale through standardizing certain practices and operations and giving everybody a common interface and harmonious data to work with.
We're using quite a few of the apps now. Everything from the financial side, projects, for project management stuff. We use the inventory app, we use the production apps, we use Discuss for all of our communication. All these things have been vital. And we're coming online with more of the apps pretty quickly. Odoo's impact on scalability of the business has been drastic. Having continuity within our systems, having oversight, using the financial tools to be able to track the company, limit waste. These are all things that have drastically added to our ability to scale the company.
I think partnering with Odoo is definitely the right decision for our team because none of our business processes are cookie cutter, and Odoo's customization has really allowed us to make the system fit our needs.
Odoo's given me the ability to step out of the daily tasks and have oversight over the company in the ways that I need to. Can think about higher level decisions and know that the operations are running cleanly and efficiently.